how to know what is real, how to know how to trust yourself, your intuition. First, we need to know this. There is a predator in here, and they have given us our minds. So whatever you think and you do, you think you're doing the right thing. Yeah, you do things with a good heart. And then later on, you understand what happened. The predator sucking energy. Yeah. And we go back to the nature of evil and how to recognize what is to be done in every occasion, whatever thing that happens. First thing, we gotta become really serious, very serious. Fuck the people. You gotta become very serious. And Santa Teresa, I think it was Santa Teresa, God used to fuck with her and everything, yeah? And when they asked her, how was this? They asked her something like, what does God say to you or something? She said something on the lines like, I hear. I don't say anything. I only hear. Because we cannot know for sure. Because all your reality, yeah, is being fabricated. Yeah. Right now I'm talking to myself. There's nobody there. You know why? Because they control whether your video is gonna go to the people or not. Anyway. You see? But I don't wanna kill my children. But maybe I did. At least there are several dimensions. Every possibility is happening elsewhere. When you die, you only pass away. Don't we say pass away? Well, it's true. You go to a place where nobody knows you. You lose all your family, you lose all your friends. Yeah. I think that was about to happen. But then I contacted my mother. I shouldn't have contacted my mother. So how can we know whether this was a right decision or the wrong decision? Well, I don't think there is such a thing as right or wrong anymore. Everything is relative. Because I don't know, it's complex. It's complex. Things are both, this was said on the other video, it's like the double slit experiment. It goes through both holes unless you look at it. You see? That's what I'm saying. I can do whatever I want. It's accomplished. It's been accomplished. It's finished. It's finished. So, why I chose to stay here? Because I'm not a railroad man. I love you all, and I love myself. We are in heaven already, man. You wanna stop aging? Let's see what we can do. Let's see if we can change this reality instead of leaving it for another reality. Yeah. Don't watch the news, people. Don't trust anything. Anything. Everything is a deception. We are two here. Her and me. Here. Word in my head. Gigi Allen. I love women, but I still don't know for sure whether they're really a good idea. When I was younger, I was a poet, and I wrote a very important book who hasn't been published, at least yet, or in this reality yet, in this timeline, because when I died, they probably published it. Probably. It all depends on the Anunnaki. And I wrote, women cannot create because they are distraction. They imprison us here in bricks of flesh. They bring us here. They're robbing us, imprisoning us here in bricks of flesh. And the fault was of the fool. I got everything written. I got better books than the Bible. Caprichos of evil, caprichos del mal, in Spanish. Caprichos del mal.